Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of May 6th, 2013. Let's take a look at the market here, and you can see the bulls won another week as we closed up at new all-time highs on the S&P. The Dow tagged 15 grand, couldn't close there, but I mean it's still got there. The Russell, that got to a new high, although it tailed off and closed below it, and the Nasdaq decided to get some guts, I guess is a nice way to say it, and show some good relative strength last week. All right, so listen, I get a lot of emails, people telling me, oh, we're set to roll over, we're going to roll over any time. You know, I don't understand this. The trend is up. Right now, there are no signs in our timing indicators that are suggesting that a pullback will be a substantial one. Pullbacks like this and pullbacks like this and even a pullback like this, okay? These are all healthy for the market. Pullback here, pullback here. It's amazing. As soon as we sold on Wednesday, almost everybody's writing me and saying, oh, that's it. Sell it may and go away. I told you we were going to roll over. And then by the next day, it was up. Now, some people were writing me, and one person who I have a lot of respect for, he told me there was no selling today. He goes, this is literally just a blip. And he was right. I didn't know. Look, I was thinking that maybe we could get another day down, maybe pick it up lower, but nope, the next day, just a gap, no fade, and just continue. The bulls are relentless here. This is not like picking bottoms. All right, and look, picking tops and bottoms is extremely dangerous, but the difference with picking bottoms is that the volatility gets so skewed on sharp spikes down, okay, that it becomes unsustainable eventually. But up moves that go like this and just ratchet higher and grind higher, these can go on for much longer than you would consider. All right, and picking tops, just crazy. All right, if you're going to pick one or the other, I mean, I would pick bottoms, but I wouldn't do either. Okay, I wouldn't do either. But, you know, picking top, I understand why there are perma bears, okay? I understand the economy is in shambles. I understand that all these things are going to hit, and there's problems in Europe, and there's geopolitical problems, and I get it, okay? But you can't fight the trend, or you can, but you're going to get whacked. Now, I do believe that a pullback is coming. I believe that we are overbought here, but nothing is telling me that that pullback is going to be substantial. So, I am still looking for pullbacks for buying opportunities. I will be looking for a potential short side opportunity if everything lines up. In other words, if we're pushing higher and then we start to see supply, okay? But as of right now, that pullback is only going to be for a short-term trade. All right? If it turns into something else, then okay. But, you know, look, V reversals are rare on both sides, but on tops, they're extremely rare. Okay, the market doesn't usually go up and then, oh, okay, that's it, we're in a downtrend. All right, it's a process to top out, and right now, you know, we are not seeing anything that is saying, hey, okay, we're going to top out. Yeah, there's seasonalities, it's sell in May and go away, and all this other stuff, but the timing indicators that we watch are saying, hey, you know what? This can continue to go higher. So that's it. Real quick, the newsletter was supposed to launch pay on Monday. I'm doing this on Sunday, so it's supposed to launch pay tomorrow. It's not. It's going to be another week, but that's it. All right, so this is your last call to get the newsletter for no cost. We're going to roll it out at a very reasonable $37 a month. Then when we launch it in a couple of months, it's going to be $497 a year. If you get in at the introductory rate, you're locked in there as long as you remain a member. So you're going to be able to get $37 a month, which is going to be less than the yearly rate, and you're on a month-to-month basis. Okay, so check out the newsletter. They're all there listed in the archive. You can see what we do. We're not, we don't hide anything. When we lose, the losers are posted. When we win, the winners are posted. Okay, we don't have a 89.9% accuracy record or whatever other nonsense some of these scam artists are claiming. Or we don't give out these precious short lists that we cover a week later. The market's going for a huge turn down, and then a week later cover it. All right, making asinine targets like LinkedIn under 50 or Best Buy out of business. Just that's not what we're about. Okay, all that is just a game to fleece you. All right, the Winning Edge Trader newsletter is for the long term. It's a lot of I get a lot of comments on it, and some good comments, but also some bad comments. They're like, "Oh, more stocks," or "Why aren't you this?" And that's not what it's about. All right, it's newsletters are there to assist you in your analysis. They're to assist you in your decision making. Okay, all getting really firm and crazy on one side or another. All that really does is just send you. It's like you're now gambling with the newsletter writer. Well, or the service provider, right? Oh, okay, if they're right, hey, the market's going to go nuts. Okay, I'm full in. But if it doesn't go right, they'll just say, oh, I told you to protect yourself, and then they'll move on to the next herd. All right, that's not what it's about. We've been bullish for months. You can go back and you can read, and we've been saying the market continues to look higher, but we're not banging our fist on the table. We're always open to the other possibility, and that's what you have to be. You have to be reserved, committed. Okay, in other words, you have to be committed to one side, but you also have to give the opportunity of the other side coming in. All right. Anyway, check out the newsletter. Feel free to contact me. I'll give you a call. I'll talk about anything you want to talk about. All right. Contact me. I'll talk to you via the daily email, the newsletter, or in next week's video. But have a great trading week. Still looking for higher prices, but I think we're close to a pullback here. I don't think it's going to be one that is substantial. All right. Have a great week. Talk to you soon.